Hi guys, in this video I'm showing you how to work with Microsoft PowerPoint 2021. Let's open PowerPoint. We have home menu and new menu. Go to new. We have black presentation and also we have templates. Let's start with black presentation. Okay, this is our slide. This is the title text box, and this is subtitle or information about title. As you can see, title font is larger and bold. Okay, here we have the preview for all slides and with numbers on it. You see slide number 1, slide 1 of 1, which is the slide that you are working on. You can create more slides by hitting this button. You see, I created 4 slides. I also can, in which slide I'm working on, it is showing, for example, slide 2 of 4, I'm working on that slide. I can right click and select delete a slide to delete whatever slide I want. Okay, let's start. I have a Word file here. I'm going to make a PowerPoint out of it. And this is the heading of my slides or the subject. I'm gonna copy this and put it in title text box here. I'm gonna right click and select paste. And I need to increase font size. I'm gonna select 44. Also, I can hit font button, bold button, and I also can select another font for this slide, for this text. Also, I don't need a subtitle for first slide. I'm gonna select subtitle and hit delete button on the keyboard. Okay, this is my first slide, or the introduction slide in my PowerPoint. I'm going to select it and make it bigger. And now I need to save. Go to File menu, select Save As, select this PC, and hit Browse button. Here on your hard disk, somewhere you can save your slide, put a name here, or it will be automatically the name of first slide, and hit save button. Now your slide is saved on your hard disk. Okay, let's make second slide. Copy this title, and here I'm gonna paste it and select center and make fonts bigger. And subtitle, I need to put a picture, so click on picture button and select a picture from your computer. You see, picture is too big. I'm going to reduce its size and put it here. And I need a text box next to this picture. So I'm going to go to Insert menu, select text box, and draw a text box here. And copy definition of domain. I'm going to copy this information and right click and paste it here. And now make the font bigger. Okay, I need another picture. I'm going to go to Insert menu, select picture from this device. reduce this picture size. You see, PowerPoint shows you how to make it the same as the first picture. I'm gonna put it here, and I need another text box. Go to Insert menu, select text box, and draw another one here. And copy this definition and second text box. Let's see the first font size and second font size. Okay, I'm gonna make this one bigger, drag it to the right, and now my second slide is complete. But my PowerPoint is kind of black and white. I'm gonna make this PowerPoint more beautiful and appealing. Go to Design menu and select one of these themes. Now you can see my PowerPoint is more appealing and looking more professional. Okay, now let's save it by hitting save button. Everything will be saved. Now I have 2 slides. As you can see, I'm gonna right click on the second slide and select duplicate. Duplicate, it recreates or copies everything in slide 2 and makes another slide out of it. Okay, now I'm gonna copy this information, the heading for my third slide, and select this one, the third slide. You see, right click on it and paste with keeping source formatting. You see, now I don't need to edit text size, font or anything, and I'm gonna select these and hit delete button on my keyboard. Okay, I'm gonna select picture, put an appropriate picture here. You see, this is my picture. I can also select a style for this picture. Select a style. This style is very good. You see. Now I'm gonna edit this text. The spelling is good, and save it. I have now 3 slides. See slide 1, 2, and the third slide. Okay, I need transition for each slide. For transition for slides, go to transition menu and select each slide and select the transition for each of these. You see, for second slide I'm gonna select this, wipe, and for the third slide I'm gonna select this. You see, now I have transitions when I go from page 1 to page 2, or from slide 1 to 2, or another slide. I have this transition. I'm gonna right click and duplicate my third slide and make the fourth slide out of it. And here select this title, right click and select keep source formatting. And now I need to delete this image. I'm gonna select it and hit delete button on keyboard and choose another image for this. And now a style for this one. You see, now my image is very good. I'm gonna right click on this style and select duplicate and make another style, another slide. This is my fifth slide. I'm gonna select this text, right click, select paste, and make this text center. And I can easily just double click on this image. In this menu, activate, change picture, and select from this file. And here you can choose whatever picture you want, and it keeps the picture style, the previous picture style. You see, it's so simple. I'm gonna duplicate this slide also. And copy this title and replace it with this one by selecting, right clicking, and choosing paste. And I need to delete this image and put this title in the center. Duplicate this one. Go to insert menu and put a picture here. And reduce its size. And select a style. Okay, now my slides are complete. You see, I have 9 slides, and for the 8th slide I need to put an animation. For this title, I'm gonna select title, go to animation menu and select fading. You see, I have animation for this text. Now I'm gonna hit save icon and my PowerPoint is saved. Okay, now we go to slideshow menu and select from beginning, and this is playing our PowerPoint. You see transitions between different pages or different slides. our project is now complete. Okay, let's go to recording menu. You see in recording we have export to video. Let's click on it. You can make a video out of your PowerPoint. Here you can select the quality, and here you can see you can put duration per seconds for each slide, and you can save it as MP4 video on your hard disk. You can now have a video out of your PowerPoint. And the next one is you want one of now I need a picture out of second slide. I'm going to select second slide and go to File, Save As, Browse, and here Save As Type. I need to select JPG File Interchange Format and hit Save button and select just this slide. Now let's go to desktop. You see I saved it here. Let's open it and see if it works or not. I'm gonna right click and with paint. You see this is a picture of one of my slides, and it is a compressed picture. You see 93 kilobytes. The next thing I'm going to show you is to go to File menu, select Save As, this PC, and browse, and you can make a PDF file out of your entire PowerPoint. Select PDF and hit Save button and wait for it to be completed. Now it shows which program you want to open this PDF file. I'm gonna open it with Microsoft Edge. Now as you can see, the PDF file is saved on desktop. This is PDF title, and we have our complete PDF file here. It is also the kind of PDF that you can copy text from it. Okay, and final trick about PowerPoint is if you want to make a video out of your PowerPoint and also narrate your voice on it and put different times for each slide, not for example 10 seconds for each slide. Go to recording, select screen recording, and here you see my microphone is activated, also mouse is activated, and now I'm in desktop. select Alt and Tab together on your keyboard to go to PowerPoint, and now here select the part in which you want your video to be recorded. You see this is frame of my PowerPoint, and start recording by hitting record button, this red button. You see it is recording. Now I can select second slide and start explaining this slide, and when my recording is complete I can hit stop button, and PowerPoint automatically creates this video and puts it on my first slide. Now here you can see my video file. You can check it and then right click on it and select save media as, and save this video on your computer. Okay, this is it. Now let's close PowerPoint and hit save button. This is my media file, recorded file. This is my PowerPoint file, and this is the picture from second slide, and this is PDF file of my PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for next PowerPoint